Hi dear children, welcome to our GK class. I am your new GK ma'am. My name is Priyadarshini. I hope you all are fine and safe, right? Okay, right. Shall we start the session, students? Our topic name is freedom fighters. So who are freedom fighters? A person who take part in a resistance movement against an oppressive political or a social establishment were known as freedom fighters. So, India was a land of huge wealth and rich culture and tradition. Many foreigners like Dutch, French, Portuguese, British peoples were invaded India for its wealth and have ruled our country for long. Among them were the British ruled our country more than 250 years. So many great freedom fighters fight and sacrifice their life for the freedom of India. So freedom fighters means were the people who sacrificed their life for the freedom of our country. So let us get to know about few such great peoples. So the first person is Gandhiji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi and he was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. We fondly called him as Mahatma Gandhiji and he was the father of our nation. First he started his career as a lawyer, then he became a leader of Indian independent movement. His aim was to seek independence without violence. He strongly believed that there is no use of fighting with weapons. So he followed the path of truth and non-violence method against British rule to get freedom of India. His birthday, October 2nd, declared as International Day of Non-Violence. He is a simple and great person. He is a great inspiration of many world leaders. So our government published many stamps, coins and rupees for Gandhi. So the next person is Jawaharlal Nehru. We fondly called as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also Indian independent activist as well as political leader. Nehru was one of the leaders during Indian freedom struggle and he was the first Prime Minister of India. He is also considered to be the architect of modern India. He loved children most. So he said, children were like the buds of garden. So his birthday, November 14, we celebrated as Children's Day. Indian children called him as Chacha Nehru. So the next person is Rajendra Prasad. He was also a major leader in Indian independent movement and also a lawyer. He is a great supporter of Gandhiji and followed the simplicity of Gandhi. And he was the first president of India. He served as a president of India for 12 times. That means 2 times he served as a president. He is the only person to serve 2 full-time president. He is remembered even today for his simplicity and modesty. He will always remain one of the India's most respected and loved leader. So the next person is Vallabhbhai Patel. We fondly called as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar means chief. He served as a first deputy prime minister of India. He also famously known as Iron Man of India. His birthday, October 31st, declared as International Unity Day. Now our government built his statue on the shore of Narmada in Gujarat. It's the tallest statue in the world. This is called Statue of Unity. So thanking you students.